All right, February 27. It's Thursday now. Back out here trying to get this data deal set up. Got everything plugged in, got all the leads run. Everything works except this Speedo. I made a little mock-up because I don't have a 50 millimeter lock-in collar like we've got here. I only bought two when I bought them. Got the magnet off of a 40 millimeter lock-in collar, and we got it real close. I'm spinning the daylights out of it, and it doesn't do anything on the gauge, so we're gonna have to keep working on it, I guess. Nothing else we can do. I don't know where it's supposed to show up on the gauge, but I'm spinning more than fast enough to get some kind of action out of this thing, and just no go, nothing doing. So I don't know what we're doing wrong, or that lead was in the box with the gauge and the rest of the stuff, so I can't imagine it's a lead problem. But it did have a little chafing to it. It wasn't right down to the wires, but it didn't look like it was going to be a problem. So there we go. Got everything else is done. All the leads are run. All the protective stuff is on. Everything's zip tied down. If it don't work, it don't work, I guess. This is a piece of PVC. Put the toolbox padding inside of it, glued it in, and I had to cut it to get it on here. But if it worked, I was just going to put some bigger zip ties around each side. Just don't understand. That should be more than, you can't really get much closer than that, man. Don't understand why this thing's not working. But we'll keep at it. We're done for tonight. We can go ahead and knock this off the list, because whether the Speedo works or not, everything else works. So one more thing off the list. We'll be working on the debris fender. We'll use this bolt and this bolt. We'll bend us a piece, whatever, to keep any garbage off from the tire, off the back of the radiator. And we'll go ahead and cut this down, like I said, and put those rubbers in. We'll do it all at the same time. I already had this off, because you can't get a wrench back here to get this little bracket I made on there. So piece of cake. Nothing at all time-wise to get it done. So we're getting real close. Real close to done. We will get this thing. We will, I'll do the battery test and stuff while I'm working on the rest of it. There's no sense to turn the battery on and then just sit here and watch clock, right? So we can do that and to get the radiator stuff done tomorrow. I ordered my little vent valve that's going to go on the top of the vent here. Just a little piece of fuel line. It's about 1.25 inches long. It's 3/8 round. I use it on the Enduro. Like I said, I've been using it on every go-kart since probably 2007, 8, somewhere in there. They work real good. And plenty of, it allows atmosphere to come in, and you can slosh it around. Not a drip of gas comes out of there. It's a rollover vent valve. Pricey, like I said, but I put the link in that other video. You can check it out. $34, $35 a piece for those things. So we're getting real close. And of course, when we're done, we're going to get it on the stand. We're going to finish the stand up. We'll broaden the base a little bit. Rich is going to help me get Braden's cart out of the trailer and get his cart on there. So we got both of them on there. We can park them and get busy working on the things we need to get going here. That pump needs to get changed. We're having some trouble yesterday. So it's just getting this go-kart done just in time. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better, and you know why. I'm going to keep beating you up about it. The Lord's coming, and I'm looking forward to it. More than I'm looking forward to driving this go-kart, but I know after all this time and work and money, he's going to let me get a ride in it before he before he stops in and lifts us all up out of here. Hang in there, Randy. Hang in there, Joe. Brent, Ronnie Lorang. See you guys. Frank Dolly, Sean. Hey, you guys. We'll get her done. See you in a bit.